paper crafters. It's Marilyn here, Stamping Creations with Marilyn, coming to you from Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada. I'm going to share a couple tips today on how to record a comment on a Facebook group. I host a Zoom Stamping with Friends each Friday, and I ask that those who attend or watch the video on YouTube afterwards that they share the projects they make, and some do have a bit of difficulty with that, so I thought I would just do this quick recording to go over a couple steps to show how to do that. So I'm going to switch over here. Now you should be able to see my group page, VIP Stampers at Stamping Creations with Marilyn. You can find that by typing this description in your search bar, or contact me for a link. I don't mind sharing that with you. And each week I do post this same graphic that will come up and say Zoom Stamping with Friends. So this is where I would like the post to go for that particular week. And you can see a date here as to this was last Friday's, and this is the class that Bonnie taught us. We take turns teaching the class, so we get lots of variety and lots of laughs. We have a great time. So I do not publish the Zoom link on Facebook, but I'm certainly willing to share it if you want to reach out to me, and I share it in an email. So I would ask for your email address. So you can see here we've got 35 comments. So the ladies have been great with sharing what they've made, and I just want to show you how you can do that. The easiest way that I've found is come to this first line under the graphic. It will say you can either like the graphic or you can hit comment. So if you click on comment, it takes you down to the next available comment spot, and you can put in can't talk while I'm typing. Testing a comment on a group post. Then if I just want to comment like this particular lady did, that's fine. You would hit enter there. If you want to attach your picture, there's a camera. And when you highlight that, it says attach photo or video. So when you click on that, it does take you to wherever you've got your pictures stored on your device. And you can pick your picture and continue with open. I'm on a PC laptop, so that's the words I see. And I realize that you can't see that screen when I'm doing that, but hopefully this will still help. It comes up and shows the picture you have. Then you would make sure you go back. That tells me I have a spelling mistake. Go back and click behind your description that you've typed, and when you hit enter there, it does post your picture and the comment on that under that particular post. And that's what we're looking for, is to share everything in one spot so that people can learn by seeing what you've made as well. So hopefully that has helped, and I can give you any more help. If you want to reach out to me, if you have any questions, concerns, whatever, just let me know, and I'll be glad to chat with you. Take care now.